blue color, blue color, red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, green color, green color, black color, black color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now coloring alphabets A to Z. It's first you draw A. A is for aeroplane. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B is for ball. Kids, now you draw C. C is for cat. Kids, again use blue color and draw D. D is for dog. Kids, now you draw E. E is for egg. And use red color. F. F is for fish. It's again use red color and draw G. G is for God. It's now draw H. H is for hand. And use yellow color. I. I is for ice cream. It's again use yellow color and draw J. J is for joker. It's now draw K. K is for king. It's now draw L. L is for lion. And use green color. M. M is for mango. Kids, again use green color and draw N. N is for nest. It's now draw O. O is for orange. And use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw P. P is for parrot. It's now draw Q. Q is for queen. It's now draw R. R is for rose. And use black color. It's now draw S. S is for sun. And use yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw T. T is for tiger. Kids, now draw U. U is for umbrella. Kids, now draw V. V is for van. And use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw W. And W is for wolf. Kids, now draw X. X is for X-ray. Kids, now draw Y. Y is for yak. And use red color. Z. Z is for zebra. Blue color, blue color. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Black color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. It's firstly draw A. A is for apple and use blue color. B. B is for ball. It's now draw C. C is for cat. It's neither D. D is for dog and use red color. E. E is for egg. F. F is for fish. It's neither G. G is for guard and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw H. H is for hand. Kids again use yellow color and draw I. I is for ice cream. It's neither J. J is for joker and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw K. K is for king. L. L is for lion. Kids now draw M. M is for mango and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw N. N is for nose. Kids now draw O. O is for orange and use black color. Black color. P. P is for parrot. Kids again use black color and draw Q. Q is for queen. Kids now draw R. R is for rat and use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw S. S is for sun. T. T is for tiger. It's neither U. U is for umbrella and use blue color. Sorry kids, red color. V. V is for van. W. W is for wolf. Kids neither X. X is for X-ray and use yellow color. Yellow color. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Z. Z is for zebra. Kids neither numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use green color. Green color. 2. The numbers of 2. Kids neither 3. The numbers of 3. Kids neither 4. The numbers of 4 and use yellow ochre color. 5. The numbers of 5. 6. The numbers of 6. Kids neither 7. The numbers of 7 and use black color. Black color. 8. the numbers of 8, 9, the numbers of 9, 10, the numbers of 10. Black color, black color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple. A for airplane. And use black color. Kids now draw B. B for ball. B for bat. And use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat. C for car. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids now draw D. D for dog. D for doll. And use red color. Red color. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids now draw numbers. Kids firstly draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use black color. O and 1. Kids now draw 2. The numbers of 2 and use blue color. Blue color. T W-O-2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use red color. F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use yellow color. Yellow color. F I V E 5. Kids now draw shapes and firstly draw a square. The shape of square and use black color. Black color. The shape of square. Kids now draw circle. The shape of circle and use blue color. Blue color. The shape of circle. Kids now draw triangle. The shape of triangle and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids now draw heart. The shape of heart and use red color. Red color. Kids now draw star. The shape of star and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. A for aeroplane. B for bat. C for cow. D for doll. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lemon. O for M for mango. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wolf. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.